amazing cottage with character throughout, situated in one of the best locations in Denistone East. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute honour today to show you through this amazing home on the perfect block of land here in Denistone East. Let's go take a look. Featuring yesteryear's charm combined with modern contemporary, this home is perfect for the growing family. But it's not just the home that I think people will fall in love with. It's also the location combined with the wonderful block, which provides people with plenty of opportunity for future scope to rebuild or renovate. Amazing blocks on the higher side of the street in Denistone East are very rare to find. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out and give us a call. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.